Hi guys, so today in this video, I'm going to tell you how to do tasks on SproutGigs. So the first thing that you need to do is you have to open your browser right here. And when you land on the home page, you have to find the most relevant job and the most secure job that you can find. I found this job right here, which I found pretty easy to do, and it was legitimate as a lot of people are doing this job. So as you come down here, you can see they have given us some requirements that we need to do in order to get paid for this job. And they're also asking for a proof, which is a screenshot. So we'll start with this. We have to copy this link. So when you open the link in the browser, it will take you to this page. And you can see there's this sign up option available. We're going to click here. So once when you come here, you can see they have given us a lot of options, but we are going to go with Facebook Messenger. And we have to connect this page that we have. Here you go. It was very easy to do. This is it. This was the thing that we wanted to do in this task. And they will send us a confirmation email with a code which we have to send them. I'll open up my email. Yes, I've opened my email here. Yes, and you can see they have sent us this code which we have to send them as a proof. So I'm going to send the screenshot as a proof. We don't have to write anything here as it's optional, and we have to click submit proofs. That's it. So that's how you do a task. We have submitted this task, and it will take a while for this amount to go from pending to the earn side. So that was it for today. I will see you in the next video. Please don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much.